Welcome back to Internet Avail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all Facebook posts in just few steps and with just one click of a button. But before you get into all that, if you have my videos and you find them educative and valuable to you, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss this kind of videos each and every time I have a new episode. So here's the thing, you open your Facebook account. As you can see right now, I'm on my Facebook account right here. As you can see, this is my Facebook account, and first thing first, I want you to come to the profile option. You can come to this menu section, and then you need to come to this profile option right there. Then there's these three dots. I want you to click those three dots, and then you need to wait for it to load, and you're going to see different options from here. You're going to see follow settings, profile status, we have the archives, view ads, and of course we have the activity logs. So that's what I want you to click activity logs, and here you're going to see the welcome to activity logs, and here we have multiple options. We have the public post, public tag, story activity. We also have the page likes, following, added friends, all that. But for now, I want us to get, since we want to hide all the posts which are on this Facebook account, I want you to click this public post. So here we are almost at the last point of hiding all the posts. You get to select all the posts which are on that account, and you do that by just clicking this all button right there. Make sure everything is checked out, and then from here you just need to come to these three buttons which are below here. So this one gets to give you an opportunity to either make them to move them to the archive. You have the trash, and you have the change audience. For this case, you can get to change the audience, and you can choose it to be either public, only for the public, for the entire public to watch, or people who are already your friends, and only you. So if you want to hide all the posts and you don't want to delete them, this is the best option for you. So you just need to choose only me and then click OK, and that's how easy it is to hide all the posts on Facebook. Hopefully you have found the video valuable and educative to you. Till then, have a good time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course smash that like button for me, since it's important with the YouTube algorithm.